Let's make our first old fashioned. So these are the ingredients that you need: sugar or simple syrup, bitters, cherries. You could leave that out if you want, but I like cherry juice, bourbon, and a dash of water. First, I'm going to put a sugar cube in the glass. Just one sugar cube is all you need. Drop that in there. All right, now we're gonna go in with the bitters. Oh, I don't even know if that's a lot. But I wanted to coat the sugar and let the sugar absorb the bitters, as you can see. I'm gonna add an extra dash because that was a lot of extra dash. Now I'm going in with a dash of water just to get the sugar cube wet so we can mash it. This is my first old fashioned, so that smells really good, and it's just sugar and bitters. Okay, now for the bourbon. You can use literally any bourbon that you want, really doesn't matter. This is Wild Turkey CNF. I think I did a review on this one. Okay, so I'm going to add 1.5 ounces of bourbon in here. Ooh. Okay, right, now I'm just gonna stir it a little. I have to stir it until the sugar dissolves. Actually smells really good. Okay, all right, now my favorite part, I'm going in with some cherries. I bought these from Total Wine, but they're Woodford Reserve cherries. There's bourbon soaking in these cherries. I'm gonna add some cherry juice. Yummy. Stir, stir, stir. Look at that color. Okay, now dropping the ice in. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna give that a quick stir. Now I'm going to add in my cherry because I need a cherry. If I could grab one. Yeah. And to top it off, I am going to put a little orange peel. Just rub it around the rim. Okay, I'm just gonna curl it up. Oh yeah, get that. Oh, get that zest. Okay, drop it in. Give it an extra stirry. Get that orange in there. Oh yeah, that's looking good. That's really, 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 really good. All right, there you go. It's so good, I might finish it. That's my first old fashioned I've ever made, and I can't wait to make more whiskey cocktails. That was really fun. Let me know what you think in the comments. See ya.